I'm Catherine from A Perfect Place to Start. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be using one of my very favorite items that I buy at thrift stores and garage sales. You guessed it, baskets. And we're going to be using some Dollar Tree florals and some plants that I already had around my house. And we're going to be transforming those baskets into some fun arrangements. So let's get started. I bought all these baskets at either a garage sale or a thrift shop, and I paid less than $10 for all of these baskets. So we're going to use some spray paint today, and I got some various colors. I got this kind of fun summer squash color. I got a French blue that really said farmhouse to me. And then I have this really kind of fun pink peony color that's not really pink. It reminded me more of like a pink beige. And then, of course, white. So our first basket is this basket that had 4 different compartments. I took some floral foam from the Dollar Tree and I cut it up, and then I just put it in each one of the sections. I didn't glue it down this time. That way I can reuse the basket for something else if I want to. All my florals today came from the Dollar Tree, and I just picked various colors that I thought said summer. And then as I'm going around, I'm just picking different colors to go randomly throughout so that there's a nice selection of each color. I probably bought about 2 to 3 bundles of each type of flower. You want to make sure that when you look at the bottom of the basket that you don't see any of that floral foam, that the flowers all cover up the holes that you could see into the basket. Last thing I added was the greenery, which I also picked up at the Dollar Tree, and then I just fluffed out the flowers to make it look fuller. And here is the before and after. I just think this basket turned out so cute. I have it sitting on a coffee table in my living room, and it just is a perfect addition to that space in my home. So our second project today is this basket purse, and I was just really excited to buy this at the store. So I'm using the yellow squash paint, and we're going to paint the whole thing, and then we're going to use Waverly white chalk paint as a dry brush over the entire basket. I chose to do the dry brush because I felt like the yellow squash paint was just too bright and it needed another dimension to the project. And since it's a basket, it has a lot of texture, and so that's a really great thing when you're trying to dry brush something. So we're ready for the floral foam, and I'm just going to go ahead and place the pieces into the basket. I did not glue them down again, just in case I wanted to reuse this basket for something else. When you're placing the floral foam in your project, make sure that you give it enough foam so that your florals stick out and have some height and dimension to them. All of the florals today came from the Dollar Tree. They were in the fall and the summer collection this time, so there are some mums and some cream colored roses that I found over in the fall section. And then these lemon picks that are on the table I created myself using some plastic lemons from the Dollar Tree and some leftover picks that didn't have any flowers. And then I just hot glued those lemons into the pick and made my own lemon picks for this display. I think that they turned out super cute in this basket. And then of course the greenery also came from the Dollar Tree, and I just think greenery is so important because it adds just another dimension and makes the project look so much more sophisticated. Our before and after, and I just think this is so adorable. A very summery look, and the lemons just kind of give it that added fun twist to it. I just love all the colors in this one. It's definitely my favorite project of the day. This next project was a magazine rack, and I was super excited to get it, and use the pink beige color, but then once I started the project I really didn't like it, and it didn't turn into anything that I wanted to use for a floral arrangement. So I just decided to use it as the magazine rack and include it in the video to show that, you know, not all projects turn out, and hopefully it can turn into something else. Picked up this last basket at a garage sale for $2, and it definitely needed some TLC. So we're going to take that white Rust-Oleum spray paint and we're going to spray paint this whole basket. And I did end up using the entire can on this basket just because there seemed to be a lot of spots that needed some extra paint. Next, we're going to take that Waverly Antique Wax and we're going to rub it all over the basket to give it that distressed look. I did put some of the wax on the inside of the top of the basket, that way it matches the outside if you can see inside the basket. Next I'm going to take some bricks and I'm going to put them in the bottom of this basket. It is a rather tall basket and I am using a potted plant, so I wanted to give some height into that basket so that the plant is coming out of the top. I'm using an aloe vera plant that I already had, and I'm just placing this aloe vera plant in the pot and then fixing the stems to kind of go over the outside of the pot. Here's our before and after, and I just think this gives such a cute farmhouse look to my dining room. So I hope today's video inspired you to get out there and do some thrift store shopping and to find something that you find really unique and that you can transform into something wonderful into your home. So comment below and let me know which of these 3 projects today was your favorite, and if you're going to recreate any of these on your own. Let me know, do you buy baskets at thrift stores or garage sales, or do you tend to shy away from those because you're not really sure what to do with them? If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. Remember, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. Hope to see you next time.